Prolink Portable 4G LTE Hotspot. This device is usually used with a SIM card. But there's another way to use it, without a SIM card. You use it as a Wi-Fi repeater to extend wireless coverage in your home. I used a computer to set it up. You can use your phone if you prefer. The computer shows us the setup steps more clearly. Admin, password. You set it up as follows. 1. Internet Wi-Fi. The device acts as a Wi-Fi repeater. Enable. The device scans for surrounding wireless networks. I connected it to a wireless network named Netgear. You just need to enter the correct password of the wireless network you want to connect to. The device will connect to the main router and forward internet to the devices connected to it. These are the steps to use the Prolink 4G LTE hotspot as a Wi-Fi repeater. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.